We want you to know we're taking extra precautions to keep you safe so that you don't have to wait to address any of your medical needs. Our Universal Protection Plan touches every part of the hospital. We are screening everyone for COVID-19 before they enter the hospital. We're performing temperature checks on all patients and visitors. We're limiting visitors. And we're giving everyone a mask before they enter the hospital and requiring them to wear it. Once inside, you'll notice we've moved chairs and made other changes to areas where people used to gather. This helps us maintain an environment of social distancing. And we're frequently disinfecting all surfaces and every area of the hospital. You'll see our team members out and about, thoroughly sanitizing and cleaning. We're here to ensure you receive the care you need today for a healthier tomorrow.